Mac Brown's Kitchen. Adriani Petto. Mac Brown's Kitchen. Brina so. Yet to cano. Get it bow. So when you know, no am I in here. Yet to cano. Get it bow. So when you know, yeah, my share.
Mac Brown's Kitchen. Ediane pa ede. Ediane pa edenti. Ana Nana Mac Brown. Me de me ka nam. Na me de nam ye celebrities so. Na ye sa adaje nyina mu no. Omu omre de ko kitchen a. Enu nti ne de Mac Brown's Kitchen bro. Na ye sa hwe ne formula o de ye aduane no. Me the high sense ya say. Everyday prices for everyday people. Tasty Tom. Strength comes from within. Awake purified drinking water. One for life. Launcher Kitchen. Your tranquility is our priority. Sana Meka was a Borges olive oil. The best always. When it comes to the best cooking utensils there, and then I Royal Kitchen way. So me jinaha na ya the phobia da Roma. And I'm a me and unti me da Lisa Del say. Lisa Del, thank you for my hair. Me da se pa. Sanam dali Gina makeover say. And then me da Royal Couture say. Say oh mama my hair very 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 beautiful. Me da nyonyo ase. Nyonyo na ma me crew aduane padi. Nti nyonyo nya me shiraw. Nyonyo GH. Nyonyo chichi na me shiraw. Na me da La Palm Royal Beach Hotel ase. La Palm Royal Beach Hotel. Me say omo na ma me space kakraka ya. Litimi de me ka no be sia me ye aduane. Enu nti no home at home ene La Palm Beach Hotel. La Palm Royal Beach. Abusanfo me twa me ho se sia aba. Na me de aduane pa bro. Mac Brown's Kitchen aduane pa salango
We are a people of choice and preference. Our choices determines the quality of our lives. Our preferences depends on vast reasons. Hisense has all the reasons.
Hisense Inverter Fridge is very elegant. Efficient cooling system that keep your food fresher.
Hisense means quality, long-lasting quality.
Hisense AC is energy efficient. It's super chill and it does not make noise.
إيمانويل إديبايور التونسي إذا يحتفل بهذه الأمسية لأنه سجل.
Watch all your seasonal football matches on Hisense TV. Only Hisense gives you 5 years warranty. Hisense everyday prices for everyday people.
Hisense, life reimagined.
Ene edru meso se me di abusuan hia mu yeni. Se die mu nim no. Omo jaje ade bia obeye no so beba ho bi. Ti say uncle ni school judge no.
E wo say wo di kra no to school foforo mu.
Auntie ama. Subai muja. Unse me so dodo. Ena mekuma. Awusiesie mu judge.
Debbie's sister. Want to Mindra sister.
E wo say wonya akokodro won hyehyeye bia obeye ho. Impo se nipa nyina na wonya adwea. Emum ade baako a wonyina gitum ne waduane no adedede ni ne hwam papa bia awon de dro wo mu. Eni fe eni se de paste na pi. Na ye de fiber eni vitamins aka wonti. Tasty Tom and Rich Tomato Mix mabusua ni nyina aduane a ede. Esanso ma ho den. Tasty Tom and Rich Tomato Mix. Strength comes from within.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
351-251.
Mac Brown's Kitchen. Aduane pa edampa. I was for ye baba no aduane die. Munim dada se de nkomo ka ho. Sabe be de, sabe be wo se. Wo be wo so no nua na gina kitchen. Enu nti no ye baba nwom na de ahia me artist. Yes. One so see much o see much pa. Ye fa nwom hwan DJ. Hey! Baba ni like am. Hey, me I
won't keep on suspect.
Hey,
Papa did like that.
says I know right. Yes, I know. It's for you.
Thank you.
Ah.
This is for you.
Anything
I go pay. I will love you over and over.
over again. I'm gonna get what I say. Anything that
How do we
way.
move?
Let's go. Move, let me go. Hey. Let's go. Hey, me will move so. Yeah, go left or right. Hey. Hey. I know they care what them they say. Anything like hey, then we are too much right.
Hey! Breaking heart with dog.
Hey, me I won't keep on suspect. Hey,
My body like him. He breaking heart with dog.
Hey,
Me I like him. I won't keep on suspect.
Hey,
I don't care what they say. Anything I go pay. I gotta love you over and over and over and over again. I don't care what they say. Anything I go pay.
hey, I'm gonna love you over and over and over. Thank you, DJ. Thank you. Madam, what you bring me?
Pepper them be the shit or nana. So when you say pepper them.
I go Vito. Pepper them be the shit or. Sasa, where is shit or?
Shit or.
Inti pepper them be the shit or. Na shit or
I go the pepper them. And your gift. Now so pepper them shit or yeah. Me shit or business.
Where is it or?
Me yeah shit or.
Hey, and the way
Every
pepper them no na say pepper them no. Eh Adam shit Matilda. Mama who Adam wo hu ntima hu say wo dia.
true.
Wow. Okay. Me see media.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you so
You're welcome.
much.
You're welcome.
Wow. Adam what about McBrown's kitchen?
Yes, finally.
Biku yang we new. Why me? Waka efu ana me just ana ne de asa. Enu ntimi ntu asa.
Wanka retoto.
Ah?
Yen ko hwehwe adwuma retoto.
Nkan kasa na toto.
Ayigbe kasa.
Daddy.
Retoto.
Toto.
Not r.
Egg.
Not egg. Enya egg toto.
Sir. Adam Brown wants a better. Toto.
Like how you say Javier. Retoto. Good.
What does it mean?
Re means sun. Re means the sun.
In
sun.
ever.
In ever.
Ever.
Or in ever.
Egba.
Ever. Re means
sun.
Sun. To or toto is coming out. So the coming out of the sun or another rising of the sun here. Yes.
With the hustle for With the hustle for Hey, Adam, me pasa, Adam, what about McBrown's kitchen?
Yeah.
And I have been with you.
Yeah.
Me pacho. Me who as I represent you. That's okay.
Representing the 9.
Pacho have no idea.
Banku.
Okay.
Any grinded pepper with in Chinam fried fish.
Okay.
It's in Chinam, right?
In Chinam.
Good.
Now where to me akabanku dia.
Where to me akabanku?
Oh, me when cry
I can stay banku.
Italians only spaghetti.
Banku there, where to me aka nine style, nine ways of. Me a chef, me a chef.
Okay. And I am boy ingredients no
so this is agbelimo, this is eblimo or banchimori and a bromori, right?
Bromori, yes.
Yeah. And then over here your garlic, and then we have onion, we have
meko,
bakpo,
meko,
any pear, any timati
in toast,
I before friend timati, and I or akpa chemical calamia oge.
Me can be say
akpa ana in Chinam.
Okay. Oh.
Fresh fish.
Akpa chemical me what I say. You no need. Sani e pese che. You best start to say.
Yebeye Bankuno first.
Oh, sir.
No, begin Ubefa way, then later you introduce a little of this, if you like.
It's your new. I know
nice.
Oh, okay. Okay. Wow. I was for go get them. Go get them. Adam na kasa nejina. Na say they are now there.
Special.
Very special. The bank no kan ono o so
No
ne dia no.
challenger.
Odi kan aka. Ebro more no asa. Ohunu asa. Adam ufri agbe krobes.
Abo.
Abo.
Oni makachi abo.
Minima kache. Kache abo.
Akachi abo. Yeah, Wumi or Joje.
Yeah, wo Joje.
St. Anthony's Hospital.
Oh, okay.
And how do you say my mother was a teacher?
Na me mama ye o chire mi.
Na me mami ye och.
Another mama ye teacher kan.
Na me mami ye Nufiala. Teacher ye Nufiala.
Nufiala, okay.
Nufiala. Ochre ni. Na me mami ye teacher wo Joje enti ye wo me ho.
Oh.
And then I grew up a little enti Joje be a white dove, Space Garden, Joje Tochwa ni ehonu nyina ye me area. Na me papa won crying. Now call law school Ghana Law School. And to send me on vacations I ba Accra.
Oh.
Accra New Town.
Accra New
Real
Town.
ghetto.
Enti time na wo them. Wo better and cry.
From childhood now me won crying.
Ba we no on and off.
On and off. Almost they make call school of Volta region because they wanted me to learn my language.
Okay.
And today be a me call boarding house for Aflao and I say Denuna holidays.
School bay.
Amazing Love.
Amazing Love.
Amazing Love International School.
International.
Ewa Aflao.
And I call secondary way.
Bishop Herman.
And
Bishop Herman College, Pando.
I was unfortunate. So next step, fire.
Fire.
You want Benkuta? It's
Yes. Me here is you.
And Anthony.
Debbie.
Wait.
Banchimori no.
Banchimori.
Yes.
Banchimori.
Banchimori. Banchimori.
Me who know what amount.
Mpatrai.
Take as much the open. And then the other we try Bankufu fro.
Very simple.
Yeah, that's one I bet you no say ya.
You be any say ya.
You be any say
Quiet. You the go so.
Oh, yeah.
How send me yard.
Ah, we are the.
Good.
We are the. Eh.
It's
okay.
okay. It's okay. We are rapper now. We are actress.
Miana.
Oh. And now we are performer.
Oh, well, Mamma Casa.
And now we are video director.
What the Mamma Casa me too. Bevu.
But you know the video matter they talk. The video you direct.
Adam, don't go and open the Old Testament. We are in a powerful.
No, we are in Joje.
And Tafe, the air you go on. Bancho no come. Mary Saka Crama.
The patch eye.
Me found good.
Good.
Yeah.
I need
salt.
Salt, yes.
Okay.
Over here.
I should make it water.
Yes.
Hey,
it's the best salt solution.
Anybody do it. O formula now the year banku na me fa bi ya. Me mo anu kakra.
And I appreciate the fact that I've been able to live my life the way I believe that it is my natural state. It's not because of entertainment.
Okay.
I do things that I believe that is how it should be. Like, for example,
okay,
I believe, say, stardom is a prison. If you want to feel like a star, if I feel like walking by the road and not driving now,
it is you.
It is me, and that's how I live. If I feel, say, I'm somewhere and I have to get down and walk, and somebody says, "Who you a star? You don't have to do that." I'll still do it because
that's
once I can do that, I say I'm in a mental prison. Yeah. So I really appreciate the respect, Kana, for having me. But please praise the people that you think that Omo Yenyama in a respectful way over the people who do crazy things that bring them to light.
Go get them. We see Swatch. Who you discover and I will discover.
Big up to Hammer. Hammer of the last two. Hammer. What the
Hammer.
Baby asked me shower.
Last two also been
one Kings. Hama is a very good cook.
Minim papa.
Oh, you're very, very good.
Time I say odipano echi.
You're a very, very good cook. Hama used to prepare rice, any gravy with cow meat for me when we used to hang out a lot. Yeah, Hama is very good.
So Hama discovered you?
Yes, Hama discovered me.
What year?
We call Hama Hall in 2003. And me were hot until 2006. I recorded my first single. They be at my studio.
Yes, oh yeah, Juma. 3 years up and down.
Studio, hash, studio bench. Now the whole North Kaneshi.
Now I don't refi me.
Original.
Madam for.
Yeah, now Kaneshi. And then in 2006, no, after the compilation, which I was on, it wasn't successful. And everybody left him. Then one day I decided, say, Adam, me record your album. So from that 2006, no, now you start the album, no, and finally in 2008, album no year ready. And it took us another 1 year to get funding. Promote. My bread too.
Why 2009 now nya otididi
2009 and a Bouger.
Ai Bouger.
Yeah, and a Bouger buy and Bouger. Uni banku kan. And a Bouger, thank you. Medasi, alu going to go.
Wow.
And
but say the morena bibia you okay oh.
Yeah, okay.
Wow, wait.
Yeah, very okay.
You vote a banku pa.
When
you Santa Region banku ni bi.
Until when we do this, you better cover kakra for the heat.
Okay.
To
number low normal. Yeah. You better man na.
Say you kataso kakra and we see that it's softer. Yeah, mansio. Now so say you hard kakra. You better mansio. Yeah.
Wow.
Until Hama made a shooting Bouger video. Step na shooting video. No?
Yeah.
And the secretary, we have a video need to call Cape Coast Poly without Step's knowledge.
Hey,
and a video no free. And a video no free Cape Coast Poly all the way into the hands of DQ. And that time no rhythms for national TV so. And DQ was like, this thing is nice.
Yeah,
let me put it on TV. And DQ put it on TV without Hama and I on knowledge. And me sorry, around 7. And I had 70 missed calls in 2009.
9, yeah. And
it was schoolmates, old friends, old girlfriends, people who have abandoned me. And I'm like, what's going on? Now Hama friend made that your song was aired. Your friend Steve was like, he doesn't have any idea how. And I had Tracy and after reading show video no, then Charterhouse decided to put me on the finale of Stars of the Future.
Are you
and I'm a career started here in 2009.
And that means the girl was maybe a video was a takrado.
Yes.
It helped you.
Yes, it really helped. Cape Coast Poly. So girl, Steve secretary, now your friend Afi.
All right, Yakataso, right? So the next step, hey Adam, ask for that song for player. DJ play me Bouger.
Bouger, a French word. Bouger. I said it's a move. Move.
Bouger. Volume.
So you move. Charlie.
Oh!
Stage entry style.
Who's that? You're doing Kanyana. What's that? Not smoke never.
So, hello, Adam Vadota, welcome back, Joe. Goma Judge, I walk about Joe. If you walk on me about before I moved to Sisepo, murder, Magagara, Matahara, Terra, Sera, Towa, Gobo, Dita, Sera, Magasusumi, and Chifu, Ababla, Terra, please pay attention, Adam Lasto representing Madogo Quadro, Jacona introduction. What's up, plan you cheese, Joe, Jima, Vivina, Nafaka Fana, Kotaka, Jona.
Just I know. I English, Adam. DJ, thank you. Thank you so much.
Now that we're on the cooking show, me feel say me rapping like I'm stirring banku.
Oh, say, and you mean him 20 minutes, son, and rap him out. Get up. Oh my God. Adam, you're banku, dear.
Almost, yes. Almost ready. And Yebeko in Chenam no.
Yebeko in Chenam
no. And Mami Pan.
It's my mouth, Colanda, and in Sue.
Yeah, now so in Chenam no because of Yepen very clean and tea, but use vinegar.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, use vinegar. Okay.
Inti baby so maybe am.
Good. Fresh fish.
Wow, now I'm got on maybe in them whoa. Yeah, the vinegar.
Yeah,
apple
vinegar.
cider. Yes. Come on, yeah, they'll grow home. Wow. All right, yeah, the coin assume.
Okay.
Miss Rowe.
And the enquire.
I'm funny now. Tessa Trap and Kumano.
Good.
Man of vinegar, no.
Okay.
Yeah,
It's open and very cleaner. So who rinse we are. Who we are. Who sign the vinegar kakrabe go so. You know. Just so.
What the vinegar?
Kakrabe go so.
Kakrabe go so.
What the vinegar kakra.
And your wife be what country?
Ghana.
No so free.
Ghana.
Why you Ghana?
Ghana.
And I some over chance I want to keep.
Okay, one more time. Vinegar kakrebi.
Mimbre unsiyo kakra na fagu so na ye. Eh. Okay.
Enche banku no.
Encha unsiyo ba ko kan
Banku no.
Okay. Edinsiyo kakra bi ama banku no.
Ye befa frying pan. Na ye dia tuja no.
Na ye dia tuja no so ampa. Wo di hon. Coffee oba wie gan Ike oba wie gan.
Oba ko frying pan yo ke ba ma la no.
Enke mala no. Oil no ne.
Borges Essence olive oil seasoned with garlic.
Yeah.
Me fa angwa. Angwa.
Aye. Let's say offer Borges olive oil.
Me fa me Borges olive oil.
Okay.
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 Very
wow.
okay.
Hey, was I banku in the way dear. What a banku pa. You have a fish, no?
It's all beche fish. I want here spice.
Kakra,
spice. I heard the same lyrics.
Oh, hey, well, Larry the mudo. Can baby say, I want to throw lyrics, mouth.
Me and Kasami.
Nina,
yeah. Good.
Wow. Beginning till now, you know, wow.
And I meet trauma other artists.
What show your mom will be paying? And your man, sir. Well, then, yes, I will come, but I will do it also.
Ronaldo, me trauma kaki. I pull my waist on rewind. God, I wanted bad. Oh, so coping, me try.
Are you serious?
Yes, and I be try. Easy, this Stone Boy. Reggae song, no men me try.
Nansanya.
Yes, and a latex kaki ne part, no men me try. My new single about this year. And then featuring if you're in the if yes part.
And as I throw so part, no?
Yes.
Hey, Adam, young quay. Meaning so talent, no, to send me the Nibia.
So we are Madame Versatile.
And then Mr. Versatile.
And usually, a advisable say the big ones to go
in
under.
First,
yeah.
Anyhow, your bank couldn't soon the season. Yeah, they're fish and alcohol. And then I said, and the next thing over there.
Yeah, be young Mekono.
Adam, you are a married man.
Yes, boss.
A married
for
man.
5 years.
For 5 years.
Yes. I met her when I was 24 and she was 22.
Oh, okay. And now you are?
And now we've been together for the past 8 years.
8 years?
Yes.
And then I was 31 now, Jane.
Yes.
Wow. How is marriage? Tell me, how is marriage?
Marriage is like sitting in the classroom. Sometimes you fail, sometimes you pass. You know, but no matter what, you have to complete the school.
You have to. That means you for no get divorced.
Yeah, so
you stay in.
you stay in, you try to make it work. But it's a nice experience for, especially considering the fact, say, I started very young. You know, you started very young, but it's been worth it. It saved me a lot. It saves me a lot of trouble.
Oh, okay.
And also reduces your expenses. Because if you are not married, maybe you might have more mobile money sending options.
Connections.
But now you have only one account to fill.
Okay.
And if you don't have it, she might understand. So
yeah. Oh,
very okay.
This is so nice. Wifey, so madam what? Mrs. Adam.
Mrs. Go Get 'em.
Mrs. Go Get 'em. Ah. Oh,
Mrs.
your wife
Go
too
Get 'em.
musician?
No.
You know? Oh, let's talk about what she does.
My wife cooks for a living. So my wife's company is Griddle Kitchen. And right now we are in McBrown's kitchen.
Oh.
Yes.
So she cooks for a living. She's a caterer.
Yeah, she's a caterer. She doesn't run a restaurant, but she cooks bulk for companies.
Events.
Big events.
Weddings,
engagements, like the judicial service, maybe banquet events.
Ooh.
Ghana Miss Niger, she's the one behind the scene cooking for the guests. She does a lot.
You are eating.
I'm not. I don't like food. I like food.
Matuase. No, simple. Matuase. All right, back to the Mako.
Yeah, so
usually
me recommend the tomatoes first.
Okay.
So that and you add some pepper, then you begin to taste and see the level of the pepper.
Oh, okay.
And yes, if you use the pepper first and then it is too much, pepper never call to waste.
Be now on toast susa.
Yeah, so usually advice is we be using
tomato no first.
Yeah.
Right, my mom you if you want to
rinse the tomatoes.
But one fan toast no first.
The
okay. The jelly goes down first, right?
It goes down to give the whole thing the flavor.
Go get them.
Boss.
Wow. Which you know, that's on say I had to say high sense blender. And then the tomato coming. That means one for Jenny be breed.
Baby, because say who we are, who the Jenny be.
Ebe gusto. Arre.
And it is always advisable, say.
Ube you be BF one.
Ebe no more per seeds, no, but I always prefer, say.
Ube. Now, how many albums now?
We have 3 albums. My first album, Volta Regime.
Yeah.
And then I was Bouger, ni Nyonu Viade featuring Kwabna, and a bra from a featuring Tiny. Second album, no. I will Get to Arise. We reggae song.
Why?
I will Get to Arise. And I will Over Again.
And I will. I can't know about.
And I will Heba.
May you ready? What's not you ready?
And I will Heba. And a third album, no. And then I want Jiloni Kwene.
Hey!
Any girlfriend featuring Raquel. And to me, 3 albums. And this year, yeah, the 2 back home.
DJ! What man I look home?
Niger to Ghana, Soweto to Kenya.
Hey! Hey, I'm
By the bar, no complain. Bike here.
Wow.
This type of girl.
Wow. Wow. Hey. When you are no. Thank you, DJ.
And the funny thing about Nyejilo is I gave it to Mitro Malo Shaker.
Okay.
Same year, I release it Over Again. No. Now Mitro Nyejilo Malo Shaker.
Okay.
But he never really used it.
No.
And Mitro Nyejilo no made Malo Shaker.
Now I use you.
And when you do, and so 2014, and I'm a catcher and it's a low shaker. It's a big song I made them out. But since you didn't use it,
Hey, I represent myself.
and I took
you
it back, and then we release it. Yeah.
Hey, bra from me, from me.
Bra from me.
Bra. Hey. Hey.
Yeah, come say.
Hey.
Bra from me. Hey, bra.
Into Adam. Oh, by my house, I'll madi wachi.
The 2 kids.
The 2 beautiful kids. Baba, Mama, where do you finish?
Complete. Like you know.
Is another one?
No.
No. Where Johnny Kalu?
Because of the dollar.
DJ. Hey.
And it's a song Obi Bechemi, girl Bechemi.
And faithful girl Bechemi.
Would you still be my girlfriend? It's a ball
Even though you dance with the other night with 2 police, Amina and Lucia.
Hey.
Would you still be my girlfriend?
Me macho one.
Hey, Kriya. Even though we catch me the other night with 2 police, Amina and Lucia. Let you know that I love you. And girl, you know I love you. Yeah. I love you.
No, you're not.
And girl, you know I love you. Yeah. But for a minute, I was just a man. You bring the fire to my soul. Propane. What a catch on your hustler. I go rose.
But you know, I don't believe that.
You know, say I hurt you, mother cuckoo. Are you okay?
But you know, I don't believe that.
You be my drug, my heroine, Kurt Cobain.
Thank you, DJ. Oh, huh. I was on oh yeah, my favorite Raquel Wayne.
Yeah, Raquel.
Yeah. Oh, where we reach now? It looks like we are almost ready,
set,
right?
Yeah.
I was for basically a bit banku and meko. And in China, my actually, you delay sardine or you want some?
Yeah, the baby goes so.
Yeah, the baby goes to home. I was for baby, I don't know, dear. You better I can send one because I am a cono. You chew ye pay. Ye cheer and chinam na ye be boy bankuno. Na de delay sardine papa bi eguso. Na ye dinner kono mam knife. Alongside your pair while delays. Hey, you the pepper them back home. Yeah, the pepper them back home.
Black shit on the side. Pepper them.
The pepper them back home. Oh, that's it. And into my min chame home bra. And sana me kono so ye make I was said. High sense adaroma. And I'm Timothy McBrown's Kitchen, bro. Tasty Tom, the only tomato mixed with vitamins and fiber. Strength comes from within. Launcher Kitchen, Awake Purified Drinking Water. Royal Kitchenware Official Ghana. And Sana Burgess Olive Oil. I was for me trying one about it. About edition time. Yebedidi. Brim.
We are a people of choice and preference. Our choices determines the quality of our lives. Our preferences depends on vast reasons. Hisense has all the reasons.
Hisense Inverter Fridge is very elegant. Efficient cooling system that keep your food fresher.
Hisense means quality, long-lasting quality.
Hisense AC is energy efficient. It's super chill and it does not make noise.
إيمانويل إديبايور التوني إذا يحتفل بهذه الأمسية لأنه سجل.
Watch all your seasonal football matches on Hisense TV. Only Hisense gives you 5 years warranty. Hisense everyday prices for everyday people.
Hisense, life reimagined.
Ene edru meso se me di abusua hia mu yeni se die mu nim no omo jaje ade bia obeye no so beba ho bi ti say uncle me school judge no
e wo say udi kra no to school foforo mu
auntie ama subai mu judge unsa me so dodo ena mekuma awusiesie mu judge
Debbie's sister want to mend your sister
e wo say winya akokodro wo hyehyeye bia obeye ho impo se nipa nyina na onya adwe emum Adia baako a wɔn nyinaa gye tom ne waduane no adɛdɛdɛ ne ne hwam papa bi a ahoɔde duro wɔ mu.
Any fair, any said your paste in a pea. Now you the fiber, any vitamins I can't want tea. Tasty Tom and rich tomato mix me with sienna in Ediania ed de. Esansoma hoarding.
Tasty Tom and rich tomato mix. Strength comes from within.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
2351 251.
Charlie, why? Who know the?
Masa, make you look and disturb me at the play game. And you know, if you have one of your training bar, who be cheer me cook, what you try getting tomatoes, who made to delay my grand, we're going to talk on manadi. Yeah, what's wrong, Papa? Masoka, the man can't walk on Shannon for chantre and to tomato sauce on some ice cream.
Delay mackerel in tomato sauce. Nampa dompenimu.
Borges extra virgin olive oil, best for salad dressing. A little of Borges classic olive oil will make delicious meals. Borges with garlic, excellent for your grills. Make your meals with Borges, always. Borges olive oil.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by FDA.
Mac Brown's Kitchen. Salango, Ediana pa Ed. I was not for Edem a cabin, come among say yes, Ben Cooker. You want hodo. Pa! Na said you sit tilapia mano, a train in Mecono. Ben couldn't Maconi bedu. Mammy can be a talk at my so I won't say yes. You be with your mammy pa. Please. Va. Marakukuesia. That's my Brown's Kitchen. Agbalakwa the sponsorship. What are they? What want they? They make
Agbalakwa.
Yeah, Agbalakwa sponsorship. Marakuku.
That's Italian airway. Agbalakwa.
Maybe some say. Sponsors say.
Your sponsors over.
Your sponsors over. As a fan your main in Ancho. Obanare. And you mean I'm fancho.
No kata makweno.
Only na your sponsors oba no banare nya makata
makweno.
Borges olive oil.
Wow.
But your delay mackerel and sardine. Spaghetti so a cajon or mouth. High sense say me mouth iron neck. That's iron and a rice cooker. And no ye. Tasty Tom. Strength comes from within. Any tasty Tom papa any. Now show where ya a chancing. Sa chancing where Royal Kitchen World official Ghana for. Me the chow set. Ishemu 1, 2, 3, 4.
Thank you.
What is this on the down?
Awake
purified drinking water and royal drinks.
Royal drinks.
Now who say kolani wo fie. And paying for so besra. Fancy any drinks for serve your ho. And your man nyina Adam. Hey, would dear.
Mauna
Yirami.
Yeah.
And your name,
God bless you.
God bless you too, my brother. Akpe. I was for Yaba Didi, and near fun, neighbor. My invite, neighbor. DJ Bomb Adam. Wendy! Hey, let me
Imagine that.
Hey, Adam, don't get it.
Before you go, may I give you for the last one? Let me tell me what you want, or you want it from the front, or you want it.
Hey. Mac Brown's Kitchen. Thank you, DJ. Welcome to Mac Brown's Kitchen.
Thank you, Nana.
Wow. Oh, you look beautiful.
What I see.
Adam, you're not visitor.
Yeah.
What's on your pa?
On
your pa. And you're not the everybody. Oh, fine, Natasha. Pregnant man, sit down. We okay? Me family from Anaya.
Me okay.
Sir.
If you didn't see me okay.
Yeah, but did he? Now, one by one pile.
Let me pray. In the name of God, the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit. Lord Father, we put this banku, this tilapia, this pear and our hands into your hands.
Yes.
So that it doesn't miss direction. It goes straight into our mouth and our stomach.
Yes.
Amen.
Amen. That is the same place I'm going to thank you. Yeah, officially, but as usual. I was here for edition time. Yo. Hey. Adam, we're cratchy pa.
We're a gentleman.
Oh, yeah, cratchy papa. Oh, yeah, cratchy pa. Now let's go. What about you, dear first? Better come on.
Marie.
Hisense car. Wow, I was here for you, Bedidi. Adam, they were never any cranny. You're sending you a caterer. Okay.
Griddle kitchen.
I know if you are. Wow. You know, yeah.
That's right.
Adam.
Midas.
Yeah.
Tata, so say, yeah.
Adam, Mediano will feel and see you there.
Hey, Adam, now one did you night?
1 year came out.
And why feed day? Young quay. Wendy.
I said you already me bank on first.
And Wendy swore by you. You came pa. Now, who did you tell me?
Adam.
Wow, Adam.
Your banco de go pa.
Thank you.
Wendy, welcome to my brother's kitchen.
Thank you very much.
Did you find didn't say? Do you any person will sube dibi? Now, Kata Ghana for said you sit here. Again, you had the opportunity to sell fun. Uba be sat your guest. As someone Kaushian baby, Ube Bisana. Into Bisa, Adam the Opus Bisa. My man to bomb.
Adam, it's the same. Maybe I am meant to be so set.
Yeah.
Machine me and could give, see, my cupboard far away.
Okay.
But, maybe. We they hustle for hair total, is it hair, and hair.
We they hustle for hair total.
Because me and Queen you. Hair total means something.
We are gone.
Yeah, me a gun.
We really a gun. But this is not gun. We are Bekasa. Hair total and a Bekasa. Hair total. Under the sun or from the rising of the sun. We hustle from the rising of the sun. The Toto.
Okay.
What is it? Okay.
Because in a boy is penum, can say, gun wed.
And your gun wed. Ever wed.
Adam. But they are not.
But that's it.
Bankuna can. Better come and quint. Better you two from Lana Pam. But couldn't see a comma. Hey. Now, it's all kind to. We'll release your check.
Me release your check. My last song, yeah, Toto, until this year. I'm releasing new album. Hopefully, by the middle of the year, you'll be releasing new album. And hopefully, by God's grace, I'll be 2 albums this year.
Into this year, about
this year, yeah, but
I don't next time we could be sure to a trim a cone be what
you
what the American. Now, eh, my code is ready and you pepper them, no mammy. Pepper them, no mamma can. I feel my car for mum. Open the pepper them. Adam there. Wow, chimney are never you. I was out for me back carry. And yet that to say the Uchi year party, you mammy do it. Wow.
Pepper them, dear, I tried that.
You know pepper them? So you like?
We're fine, Pam.
Adam, who will do our day?
Why not?
Okay. That can be
Pepper them be the shit off.
I didn't go. One young Mekona man and 50 home.
There be because of your long shelf life, and your back can the same.
I said, see what betche.
A betche say it be 8 months and now 1 year. And they be your percent Mekonia dry and you use it tomatoes because tomatoes are very water based. And she thought say in coma it spoils very early and all natural and then the shrimps any Your friend is saying.
No, what Eddie.
Thank you. Thank you.
Eddie Pam. I'm poor open before. Open before. Problem. What should people expect? Album ne mine. But then a Ghana for expecting.
A big album, I mean, there are some exciting collaborations on the album. I have a song with Sarkodie and Ifya. I have a song with Pato Rankin.
Okay.
You know, I have a song with David our album, no, so and also I have some nice Jamaican collaborations. People here on the new album are very, very exciting.
Wow.
Yeah.
No. Now we are hip hop and now we are dance form.
Me a talented. Me a talented artist.
Nobody saw me at the just over to me. Nobody saw me at
Me a talented artist.
Because also first no. Obi bounce or media near her life. Moving for baby. Women do hip hop.
And I'm here reggae.
No reggae.
And I'm here dancehall.
Wow.
And to me a talented period.
We are talented. And on the album no. You feel of Nina.
No, you been full let me say Afrobeat album. I have been a full reggae album as in 2 different albums for the year.
For the year.
Yeah.
Wow, full reggae album.
Full reggae album.
Before I say about DJ, Ghetto Youth, Patua. Nebo Mami. I want you ma. So him say me papa.
Ghetto Arise, yeah.
Me papa. DJ Bami Ghetto Arise. Because me papa said that when him say me pe.
We are Rasta. So we are original Rasta.
Hey, me are not natural Rasta. Natural me all weather me. Family dinner we me be born alive. You call winter muso e be mo en one life. Baby original be English we speak what we can. Hey, chidi you be bubu ba. Baby be come. Now before that, try before that. Adam. But the under the empathy be chow. Me pa chow. What's some chat to Mark Brown's kitchen person? O catch Ghana for.
Can I speak English?
Can I speak English? You can speak English.
Good. I've always loved the show.
Wow.
I've watched most of the episodes. I've watched the Deborah episode. I've watched the Kofi Kinata episode.
Oh.
So I am here on the show. I've loved it. I love your energy. You make it fun and you make it easy for us.
Oh, thank you.
And then no other show they give gifts. From today, don't call me for interview. If you don't say you don't get anything to give me, don't call me for interview because we come on Mark Brown's kitchen. How you won't make I iron my dress before I come your interview?
You know.
Now I get iron.
You know.
I get things. So, Charlie, number one.
Thank you
number
so
one.
much. Thank you so much.
And I'm taking the apron home. So.
Hey, I'll give you another color.
Thank you. Thank you.
I'll give you another color. Wendy, you want to say something before we go?
Oh. Mark Brown's kitchen there. First, me sure I'm can't say more demo. Maybe I'm sure I can't say them because me sure you buy say car, truck.
Nice truck.
Thank you so
much. Mobile
kitchen. Yeah, this is very innovative.
Thank you so much.
And I also when you know as them can you know. Charlie, spirits now down and we do. Keep it up.
Hey, that's it.
I'm going because I don't
Hey, Nana, can you want the Ananka? Only swears you are young pony. Hey, sister, when you say I'm here. Your baby, yeah. When you sing out, well, just see, maybe about okay. Back basket, Salango. Edo, you didn't net down, Cassa. Abusia. Any of them move see, and a mreba maquine. Into Meda was say, so Jim Ray and Nesso, when you was sending na airship. If some chairman down for you. Takra, Nana, Nini Kurin and Manana, Mechapa, Naji, Nana, and Miss Shaw. My Phil, when Frown wants some refuge. I was you had best see what I didn't Nana McBrown, but I'm Sana Mecon. One royal kitchenware. Yay. Your Instagram page Royal Kitchenware Official Ghana. Royal Kitchenware Official Ghana. Obia ye Royal Kitchenware bi anya chance papa ni bi eno oton. Eno ti no Royal Kitchen Official Ghana. Friday, I was 055-996-7002 and 020-813-8885. And now, Fred, 055-870-3448. Royal Kitchen will official Ghana. Your numbers no. Lisa Del Nama me you shemi. Lisa Del hair. Yamia nim ne no ayamoton. Say you way no nya the other two and a book canibia. Where the other ni jina ojina order hold down. For Lisa Del fefe nenya fe 054-060-1558. And freno sa wo hwehwe na na mama ma mesrew. Enya me number no. The oton nwi no and number. Me dase. Thank you for understanding what it. That's a Adam. And then I'm my mama book ya na my lunch kitchen for our bropa.
Okay.
Almost me fama. Omuma 40%. O she book nim na adwuma bi wom. Na wo pebia. O from a. Ombaba be yama.
Okay.
O we ya nam. Hey sister.
Me this sis na o so twu kakara.
Enwia me na me wa chede ma enwia me. Me ba cho. Me ma Borges anwa paniye fasra wate me recommend them out fasra wa fusu no anya I don't everything stretch marks onye me you so
be minya 1 month na wo se me mba ha
na wa ba yo na ye me ma wa de fofo Adam enye artist ne kwa na e che wade o wei for your fan
wow
me ma no chance set e shemu miensa me de chen kwa free.
Oh, well.
Oh, me that's it.
If you Royal Kitchen work,
we make me that coffee.
We ni and we Borges see your dear.
No.
What it?
That's Nyamin sure.
Thank you for coming.
No, thank you for having me.
I'm so grateful.
Thank you. Thank you. Big up to Bevu Nation.
Yes.
Don't know Bevu Nation.
Yes.
Big up.
Yeah. And back on the voter regime.
Era.
Outside for me that high sense ya say Tasty Tom. Royal Kitchen Well official Ghana and Chelsea Papa no ye na ye ton sana made da launcher for us made da Borges olive oil for us delay mackerel delay sardine delay spaghetti made da omo asepa awake purified drinking water one for life sana made da La Palm Royal Beach Hotel ase La Palm Royal Hotel there Oma so na na McBrown's kitchen asia bepem ne me do oma se eho eye fia kasama me enti no me catch us obetumi akọ anytime you feel at home elsa for me da mo ase Royal Kuto me da wase Aligina nyonyo me da munyina ase ye be hia na oche sende adom nti enkwa ne hia na hey give me my get right let's arise
Hey,
smash it. Osa.
Hip hop to me.
Say. Let's go.
This is for the ghetto.
Thank you so much.
Not afraid to stand for the truth. Let me see your light, let's go.
Where's that light?
And it'll go right. They get to agorize one day. And they get to agorize one day. And they get to agorize one day. And they get to arise. So me know I look at you, Tina Nima. And him take care of Papa and Mama. Every picnic on the beanie boy, they me nana ya. Rainbow fast kia, mansion on a beamer. We they on. Him not get money for the feast. Can't find food to eat and sleeping on the streets. Only few then they gone and disease, ugly anger. This is what I get to you. Not afraid to stand for the truth. Let me see your light, let's go. And it'll go right. They get to go. And they get to go.
Thank you, Rana.
And they get to go.
See you next week. Brim.
McBrown's Kitchen. McBrown's Kitchen. McBrown's Kitchen. McBrown's Kitchen. Yet to Kano. Get it So when him no am I in here? Yet to know, get it bow. So when him yeah, my share. Mac Brown's Kitchen, Mac Brown's Kitchen.